Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the color profile on your SJCAM SJ8 Pro. To do it, click on the magic wand right here on the bottom row of different controls and go to color profile, and you can set it to SJCAM Vivid or Flat. And the SJCAM Vivid option makes darks a bit darker, whites a bit whiter, and everything looks like it has a bit more color. Maybe I'll try to demonstrate that. Now if I set it to flat, it does appear more flat, but it's actually displaying what the camera sees, and the vivid is just enhanced, but I think the vivid actually looks great. But in some scenarios you may want to turn it off because sometimes it's not something that you would expect. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.